All right, good day, guys, and welcome. Today, we're going to be looking at a question from Jamb 1998, where we are asked to factorize completely bracket open x squared plus x bracket close square minus bracket open 2x plus 2 bracket close square. So, quickly, we dive into the question by writing solution. Copy out our algebraic expression, bracket open, x squared plus x bracket close square minus bracket open, 2x plus 2 bracket close square. Now, we take note of the fact that our algebraic expression is a difference of two square expression. Hence, we recall this, have this at the back of our mind, that x squared minus y squared is equal to bracket open x minus y bracket close bracket open x plus y bracket close. Having this at the back of our mind, we dive into our expression by writing a bracket open bracket x squared plus x bracket close minus bracket open 2x plus 2 bracket close bracket close. Open another bracket. Here we write a bracket open x squared plus x bracket close plus bracket open 2x plus 2 bracket close bracket close. Now we proceed further by opening our internal bracket, hence we end up having x squared plus x minus times 2x gives us minus 2x. Now minus times plus 2 gives us minus 2 bracket close. We open that bracket, we have x squared plus x plus times 2x gives us plus 2x plus times plus 2 gives us plus 2 bracket close. Now we proceed to take color like terms within each bracket, and this will give us x squared plus x minus 2x gives us minus x. Bring down minus 2, close our bracket, bracket open, bring down x squared plus x plus 2x gives us plus 3 plus 3x plus 3x plus 2 bracket close. Now to proceed further, we factorize each bracket separately since they are both trinomial with a unit. Therefore, from our first bracket, we have that first bracket, we have this that s squared minus x minus 2. We think of two factors of minus 2 that when added together gives us minus x. And these factors of minus 2 are minus 2 and plus 1. Therefore, our expression becomes x squared minus 2x plus x minus 2. We factor out x from x squared minus 2x. So we have x bracket open, x minus 2 bracket close. We are left with plus x and minus 2. We factor out plus 1 from here. We are left with x minus 2 bracket close. This further gives us bracket open x minus 2 bracket close bracket open x plus 1 bracket close. Now we proceed further by bringing up our second bracket, and we have x squared plus 3x plus 2. Now we think of two factors of plus 2 that when added together gives us plus 3x. These two factors of plus 2 are plus 2 and plus 1. Having this at the back of our mind, we write equal to x squared. In place of plus 3x, we now input plus 2x plus x, which is the same thing as plus 1x plus 2. Now, we factor out x from x squared plus 2x. This gives us x bracket open, x plus 2 bracket close. Now, we have plus x and plus 2. From this, we factor out plus 1 bracket open, s plus 2 bracket close. This ends up giving us bracket open, s plus 2 bracket close, bracket open, x plus 1 bracket close. Therefore, bracket open, x squared minus x minus 2 bracket close, bracket open, x squared plus 3x plus 2 bracket close is equal to bracket open. We bring down our answer from our first bracket, x minus 2 bracket close, bracket open, x plus 1 bracket close. While from our second bracket, we have a bracket open, x plus 2 bracket close, bracket open, x plus 1 bracket close. Having these at the back of our mind, we take note of the fact that x plus 1 appears twice in our answer. Hence, we write our final answer as bracket open, x plus 1 bracket close squared. This is because x plus 1 appeared twice. And we open the second bracket where we have bracket open, x minus 2 bracket close. We have here bracket open, x plus 2 bracket close. So our final answer for this expression is bracket open, x plus 1 bracket close squared, bracket open, x minus 2 bracket close. Then we have a bracket open, x plus 2 bracket close. Thank you.